Hey, welcome back. In our last video, basically we completed the calculator application. That was the exercise that was given to you. And today we are going to be expanding, okay, on this. Okay, and what we're going to do is instead of getting the user to key in the two numbers separately, we want to capture both the numbers in the same line. Okay, so to do that, okay, first we want to comment off these two lines. Okay, in coding, okay, whenever we write some lines of code and you want to maybe selectively run some part of the code and not all of the code, what we can do is we comment off those lines that we want to exclude at this time. And how we comment off in Python is we include a hash sign in front, okay, or hashtag or hex sign, or whichever, whatever you call it. We're going to add a hashtag sign in front of it. And basically what will happen is once you have a hashtag sign in front of this line, this whole line is considered a comment. Okay, that means it will not be executed by the interpreter later on. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to capture both these numbers, okay, in the same input line. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to write num1, num2, okay, and we're going to say equals to input. Okay, so this part we know, so we're going to say enter two numbers here. And what we need to add here is at the end of this input we're going to put a dot split. Okay, dot split. Okay, so what is going to happen here? So this one, this input command we already know. You're basically prompting the user to enter some information, but in this situation we are going to expect the user to enter two numbers. Okay, so for example 10 and 20, 5 and 7, whatever numbers. And what we will do after that is once we capture the two numbers, we will split the two numbers based on the white space between them. Okay, so when you enter two numbers, you definitely will have a white space or empty space between them, and we're going to use that to split up the two numbers. And as we split them up, the first number will go to num1, second number will go to num2. Okay, so that is how this command works. So it's the same input command, but we're just going to add a dot split at the end. All right, so let's save this, and we're going to run the module now. Okay, so it's asking us to enter two numbers here. Okay, now if I key in the same numbers 3 and 4, so you can see I'm keying in a white space in between. Okay, so that the split function will be able to capture and split them up as 3 and 4. Okay, and you'll get this. All right, so at the same time, of course, if you try to run it, okay, and you maybe make a mistake, okay, so instead of 3 4 you key in maybe 3 comma 4. Okay, what will happen is it will give you an error. Okay, because it will take it that this comma was part of the tree and is unable to convert it to an integer. Okay, because it's not a proper number. Okay, so that is how the split command works here. So let's just run it one more time here. Okay, I can key in maybe 10 30. So you can see I get 10 plus 30, 10 minus 30, 10 times 30, and then divided by 30. Okay, so that is basically what I wanted to teach you for this short video here, how we can capture multiple inputs with the same with a single command prompt using the split functionality. All right, so do try it out, okay, and see how it works. All right, thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.